was cool. Turn it up a little bit. Yeah.
Hey you guys, so today I will be working with NiaWigs again. They sent me over their 10-inch bob wig. I believe the lace was transparent, but it did appear kind of ashy to me. So to fix that, I went in with my foundation shade, which is 310 in the Fit Me foundation, and I went ahead and did a thin layer over the lace with that. Now right here, I am just using 91% alcohol to clean my hairline so that the lace can stick better and the adhesive can work better as well. So with this wig, I didn't feel like the bald cap method was necessary, so I just slid the wig cap back and I will proceed to lay my lace down. So in the beginning of the video, I did forget to mention that this wig is very beginner friendly. It came, the knots were already bleached and it did come pre-plucked as well. So when applying the glue, you want to make sure that it's even layers all around, and before you put down that second coat, you do want to make sure that it is clear. That's how you know that it's dry and ready for the next coat.
Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling that I feel great, smelling all the perfume place. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe. Holding you, loving you, wanting you. Sit in the passenger seat, hoping that the shit don't come for free, for free. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you.
So when laying that lace down, you do want to make sure that you press very lightly to avoid any white residue or any lifting on the lace. Now if you're not comfortable with using your fingers, you can always go in with a fine tooth comb like I'm doing right here and just press very lightly with that.
I feel you, I hold you, I know you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, wanting you, feeling you. shit don't come for free. For free. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you, you, you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I breathe from you, you, you. I feel you, I hold you, I mold you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, molding you, counting you, I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real. I see you. Is it real, true? You, I'm doing it, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling the air you breathe, smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that's the air I breathe, holding you, molding you, haunting you. Sit in the passenger seat, hoping that the shit don't come for free. For free. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming for you, you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I breathe from you, you. I feel you, I hold you, I mold you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat, holding you, molding you, counting you, I look at you in your eyes, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real, hoping that the love is real. I see you. Is it real, true? You, I'm doing it, sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come for free, feeling the air you breathe, smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the